Oh shit. Here we go.
Anybody who's speaking? No. No English? Alright, officer. Well, yeah, translate. It's gonna translate. It's gonna translate. Yeah. Yeah, okay. We're from Uganda. We are People Power Movement in Uganda, opposition political party. We have our brother in Turkey. He's a political activist online. He was kidnapped in Turkey. Turkey authorities, they say they don't know where he is. And the Ugandan government, the dictator government said they know where he is. So when we got a private investigator from the United States, they told us his cell phone is in the Ugandan embassy in Turkey. So we are here. We want to know if the Turkey government knows about it, or if they don't know, we report a missing person in Turkey. All right? So it's going to translate. Translate if it doesn't. Yeah, translate. Yeah, it's going to translate to you. Officer, can you please come and translate to her? Officer on the phone, with due respect, out of the phone, come and translate to the lady, please. With due respect, this is your job, the security guy. You should know what we are here for. Don't pretend you don't listen what we're saying.
No, the translation is right here.
Come on. No. You should respect us. No, you should. Don't say muleke. You have to know he's a security guy. He has to come to know. So the lady, no, come on. You have to learn how to speak. No, we want him to come and you said you can't understand. He can understand. Yes, he's a security guy. You know. Yeah, explain to him. Yeah, you should respect us, officer. You're a security guy, you should know why we're here. We're calling you, pretending you don't know.
How you doing?
I'm good, sir. We are from Uganda, right? She doesn't understand English, what we say. Okay. I want you to explain to her. Okay. We are here, we are from Uganda. Political party is called People Power in Uganda. Okay. We had a brother in Turkey. He was a political activist online, all right? So they kidnapped him with a Turkey number plates, license plates. We called Turkey officers, they said they don't know about it. Our country, in Uganda, the Minister of Foreign Affairs, he said they have it. When we hire a private investigator, his cell phone is in the Ugandan embassy in Turkey. There is an incident before, Kajjubi was killed in the embassy. So we want the government of Turkey to take our concern. That's why we are here to demonstrate, sir. All right? We do this. So please explain to them. That's why we're here. Please. Our brothers.
And it's been 2 weeks.
Yes. Yes. Oh, okay. Because they will ask you security, why those people here, you are responsible. So we want to let you know, so if they call you, your boss, they say, why these people here, you can explain to them. Yeah, because I'm sure your boss will explain to them. So that's why we're here, sir. With due respect. Thank you, brother. Yeah, so we're gonna, that's why we're here. Don't say, oh, these people are making, we're not violent.
You're free to protest all you like.
Yes.
I've already notified everybody that you guys are doing.
Yes, because I was like, oh, you on the phone and you were security. I'm like, your brother is ignoring us.
No. I'm telling them just
thank
so
you.
I know
Thank
that
you.
you guys are here to
Yeah.
your protest.
Thank you. Yeah, thank you. This is a coordinator over here. As a coordinator, we're from Uganda. People power. Yeah, thank you, sir. With due respect. Thank you. He understands. Thank you, ma'am. We love you. Stop it.